Alright guys, today's a busy day. We're dropping the Fusion off to get the airbag light taken care of, because I do not have the capability of getting rid of the airbag light on this one. And then we're going to pick up a new project for the channel. It's the next rebuild project. I think it's going to be a good one. Hello guys, and welcome back. This is, as you can see, a different day. I kind of ran out of time yesterday. I was running, back and forth picking up the Fusion, which I'll show you in a minute and let you know what exactly was done to it. And then we'll go through the new flip car and kind of walk you through what needs to be done to it. So the new flip car, as you probably saw already, is a Volvo. It's a 2006 Volvo S40. It's front wheel drive, the 2.4 liter, nothing fancy. It's got leather interior with sunroof, and this is basically the big issue that we're starting with. We don't know how many miles it's got, and there's no key for it, as well as it smells pretty bad in here. I think we found the culprit. There's some mold in the carpet, but I think it's due to when I loaded this car on the trailer, or when they loaded on the trailer, I noticed that passenger side back door was cracked a little bit, and all the water seems to be on the passenger side only. Here is the, let me grab a light. So here's the worst of it. As you can see, the water, the floor is still wet, but it has dried considerably because there was a significant amount more water in there yesterday, but we're going to get that taken care of. We will. We're going to probably start doing it in the next couple days, but this interior is coming out. It is getting super cleaned, and we're going to be putting it back in, as well as fix that little guy. As you can see, I don't know if somebody tried to take it down or if it fell down. I don't see any broken tabs. Maybe there's a couple. So maybe we'll have to get a new one of those. And then it needs a deep clean, as well as basically the whole front clip. As you can tell, the hood is bowed. The fenders are both creased right here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little bit of a crease to it, as well as the other side, also a little bit more of a crease to it, a little easier to see. But we're going to need a headlight, bumper, all the bracing back in here, some new struts, or a new strut, and all this bracing back in here, as well as a lot of the plastics and stuff that go right down in here. But I have no idea if it runs because we don't have a key. No mileage because we don't have a key. But I did check the oil, and the oil looked pretty good. It's probably due for an oil change, but you can see that oil's not terrible, not milky, so no water got into it. So that's why I don't think it's a flood or anything, but like I said, we'll check it all out and get it going. But other than that, I don't think it needs too much. Some little odds and ends stuff I noticed. I don't think I'll mess with that. Other than that, it needs a really good cleaning. Let's see if it's got a... Okay, so its next service date was the end of last year, but I know it also was picked up at Copart at the first of the year, so it's not too far out. But it's going to have somewhere around 120,000 miles, I'm guessing. So that's not bad. 120,000 mile Volvo. We'll get her cleaned up, and she'll be looking good again. And down the road we go. So let me know what you think about the new flip car, and yeah, stay tuned for some more content on it. I'll be showing you every step of the way. So. And one last thing. And I wish I would have had time to tape it for you guys because it was a struggle. Because there's no key, the steering wheel is locked. As you can see, the steering wheel is locked. So me and my infinite wisdom backed it off the trailer that way so it was 90 degrees to the garage. And I didn't realize that until after it was off the trailer. So yeah, I had to use a jack, this one here, jacked up the rear end, and I literally dragged it. As you can see, the marks in the driveway. I literally dragged the rear end over and pushed it back. It was not a lot of fun, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, and yeah, but she's in, and time to get tearing it apart.